The review question is asking, find the missing side lengths in the figure below. In this figure and the review, there are 2 missing side lengths. Let's take a look at 2 example problems in order to help solve this problem. Now remember, this is not the same problem that is on the review. This one is also asking, find the missing side lengths in the figure below. A strategy in order to solve these problems is to use color. Vertical is what I'm going to look at first. I'm going to look at this length right here, and I'm going to color it yellow. This length is 6 millimeters. This vertical length is 3 millimeters, and this vertical length is missing. As I'm looking at the verticals, I'm going to notice that I have the largest value, which is 6. Because I have the largest value, I'm going to draw a bracket next to my missing side length, and at the end of it, I'm going to put 6, because the tallest height is 6 millimeters. I'm going to split my bracket in half. I know that part of it is 3. My missing piece plus 3 has to equal 6. If I'm looking for my missing piece, what plus 3 is 6? This is the math problem we're thinking about. What plus 3 is equal to 6? Well, 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. So 3 is our missing side length. Now let's take a look at the horizontal pieces. As I'm looking at the horizontal pieces, or the pieces that go left and right, I am going to notice that I have the longest side. The longest side is 9. One of the small sides is 7, and I'm missing the other small side. I'm going to put my bracket next to my missing piece. The longest side is 9, so the total has to be equal to 9. I'm going to break it in half. I know that part of it is 7, because one of my little red sides is 7. The other piece I'm looking for. I'm thinking about what plus 7 is equal to 9. Well, 2. 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. So our missing value is 2. Let's take a look at one more example. Again, I'm going to start with my vertical pieces, the pieces that go up and down. As I'm looking at my vertical pieces, I'm going to notice if I'm missing one of the little pieces or if I'm missing the larger value. In this case, as I'm looking up and down, I'm noticing that I have my 2 small values and I'm missing my largest value. So again, I'm going to put my bracket next to the missing piece, and I'm going to cut it in half. I'm going to transfer the values from the other side. 3 is one of my small pieces. 4 is the other one. Because I'm missing the largest piece, that means I'm going to add them together. 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 is 7. So the longest side length, or my missing piece, is 7. Now I'm going to look horizontal, or left and right. As I'm coloring and looking horizontal, I'm going to notice that I have the largest piece, which is 6, and I'm missing one of the smaller pieces. Because the largest piece is 6, I'm going to draw my bracket and put 6 at the end. I'm going to split it in half. The smaller value that I know is 2 centimeters. We are thinking about what plus 2 will give us a total of 6. Well, 4. 4 plus 2 will give us a total of 6. So 4 is my missing value. Let's take a look at the original problem. Find the missing side lengths of the figure below. Use the strategies we just used in order to solve this problem.